what if we have 2/3 plus negative 1/3? They have the same denominator. Which is bigger, 2/3 or 1/3? Of course, it is 2/3. And the sign of 2/3 is positive. Therefore, the answer must be positive. And since they are of different sign, we're going to subtract the numbers. Okay? So 2/3 minus 1/3 is, we're going to copy the denominator. Since they have the same denominator, the denominator will be 3. And then, on the numerator, we're going to subtract 2 minus 1, and that is 1. Therefore, 2/3 plus negative 1/3, the answer is equal to positive 1/3. Gets mo? Okay, thank you.